Product-led organizations operate a bit differently than the average company. Instead of viewing the product as simply the thing they build and sell, every team sees it as an engagement channel, data source, and foundation of the customer experience. It's because of these qualities that product-led companies are uniquely positioned to benefit from artificial intelligence. At a high level, the benefits fall into three categories. The first benefit of AI in a product-led organization is getting smarter. In order to be successful, product-led organizations need a foundation of data that's clean, accurate, and easily accessible. These businesses are likely already rooting product decisions and customer engagement strategies in data, and AI can improve these data-driven practices by helping separate signal from noise and analyzing data faster than humans can on their own. On that note, the second benefit is helping humans be more effective. Companies that are product-led offload human tasks to the product, everything from onboarding and support to sales interactions like cross-sells and upsells. With AI, teams can do this even more effectively and replace repetitive, human-led workflows like sorting through product usage data during the discovery with AI-powered processes. In this way, AI can help augment humans so they can generate insights, answer questions, and take action faster than ever before. And the third benefit is improving product delivery. Product-led organizations rethink how they deliver products. Instead of singularly focusing on shipping code, they care more about downstream adoption and if users are actually finding value in what they've built. AI can help supplement this work in many ways, but here are a few examples. Automatically creating launch plans and materials like in-app guides to support smaller but more frequent releases. Finding trends in qualitative data to help shape feature development and improvements. And suggesting ways to take action and quickly iterate on new products and features based on adoption data. Now let's walk through the 6 characteristics of product-led organizations and how AI can help support in each area. The first characteristic of product-led organizations is that they align each function around the product. One primary aspect of this is aligning engagement strategies, from marketing and sales outreach to customer success and support processes, with how customers use the product. This requires access to product data, and more importantly, the ability to analyze and pull out actionable insights from that data. With AI, teams can analyze more product data than ever before and do so more quickly. AI tools also empower non-technical teams to leverage data in ways they might not have been able to before, since AI handles the legwork of sorting through and identifying patterns in the data. This also ties into the second characteristic, which is that product-led organizations make decisions with data over gut feel. Traditional methods of data analysis often struggle to keep up with the volume and variety of data that's available, and product data is no exception. With their advanced algorithms and computing power, AI and machine learning tools can better process and organize this data, enabling product-led companies to make more and faster data-driven decisions. The third characteristic of product-led organizations is that they use the product as a marketing channel. As marketing teams leverage in-app announcements, walkthroughs, and pop-ups to fuel their campaigns, AI helps personalize these experiences even further. Since AI tools can quickly analyze and extract insights from product usage data, an AI-powered product experience platform could then suggest which users to target for a feature launch or event promotion, and perhaps even auto-generate the appropriate in-app communications. AI's personalization capabilities also play a role in the fourth characteristic of product-led organizations, which is that they have amazing onboarding. For example, AI can analyze user behavior in the product to identify engagement patterns and proactively suggest features or content to highlight during onboarding. If your product has multiple types of users, for example, users with different job titles, this personalized onboarding is particularly powerful to ensure you're building onboarding experiences that align with users' specific needs. And AI makes it easier to create these customized experiences at scale. The fifth characteristic is that product-led organizations help users help themselves. Here, one of the first things that comes to mind is AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. With the power of natural language processing and machine learning, these in-product chatbots can interact with users to address common pain points, offer recommendations to encourage ideal usage, and provide personalized support at scale. Product-led companies also build proactive support into their products. For example, with in-app tooltips that provide context for features or workflows that often cause confusion. By analyzing product usage data and identifying friction points, AI can help suggest which areas of the product need this additional context, and product managers can use a simple prompt to generate the necessary copy. Finally, the sixth characteristic of product-led organizations is that they collect and use feedback from customers. Similar to quantitative usage data, AI can bolster this work by analyzing and identifying themes from large amounts of customer feedback from various sources. More specifically, an AI-powered feedback management tool might be able to automatically sift through data every few days and then generate a list of items that customers want to change or add to the product. These were just some of the ways AI fits into the core characteristics of a product-led organization. In the next lesson, we'll dig into how different teams within a product-led org can leverage AI in their work.